In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to streamline your sales process with GoHighLevel pipelines and opportunities. This guide will help you organize and automate tasks effectively, saving you time and helping you focus on what truly matters: closing sales. Let's get started. First, head over to the GoHighLevel dashboard. This is your main control center where you'll access all the features you need for this process. Once you're there, find and click on the Opportunities section. This area is crucial because it allows you to manage your sales tasks and keep track of every interaction you have with potential clients. Next, look for the Pipelines tab and click on it. Pipelines are a visual representation of your sales process. They help you see, at a glance, where each prospect is in the buying journey. After you've navigated to the Pipelines section, you'll need to click on the Create Pipeline button. This step is where you essentially structure your sales process into different stages that reflect your unique business flow. When you're setting up your pipeline, include key highlights or stages specific to the way you handle sales. This could be stages like lead in, contact made, negotiation, or closed deal. Customizing these stages will ensure your pipeline is aligned with your business strategy. Once everything is set as you like it, just click Create to save your new pipeline. It's that simple. Now that your sales pipeline is in place, let's add a bit of automation magic into the mix. Now from the dashboard, go over to the Automation tab. Automation in GoHighLevel is powerful. You can automate repetitive tasks and responses, which is a great efficiency booster. After clicking on Automation, the next step is to select Workflows. Here's where you'll create sequences of automated actions. Start by clicking on Create Workflow for a fresh, tailored experience. Go with Start from Scratch. In this clean slate, you need to add new elements. One of the first actions you might want to add is Create/Update Opportunity. This tool ensures that every new lead enters your pipeline at the appropriate stage, keeping your sales funnel seamlessly flowing. Make sure to select the specific pipeline you've just created. Simply click on Select Pipeline, then choose the appropriate pipeline name. Finally, don't forget to save everything by clicking Save Action. This step solidifies your workflow, ensuring it functions just as you've outlined. And there you have it. By setting up pipelines and automating workflows in GoHighLevel, you've taken a giant leap towards improving your sales efficiency. These tools will help you keep a clear view of your sales process and enable you to respond faster to customer inquiries. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your sales process smooth and efficient.